Hey, good morning, my fellow traders. This is Escobar here from California. Real quick, hopefully you've had a great trading week, or if you're still learning, hopefully you're picking up some good tips. I'm going to be giving you another freebie here. The only thing is you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram. Everything, all the description, my username, everything will be below. Um, Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Send me a DM and I'm going to email you the file to this dashboard. If you trade the market maker method, this dashboard is going to help you out and is the full version. Okay, giving it away to you for free, so you can at least have these tools on hand and be able to know how to scan the market at your have the be able to scan the market in real time, and you don't have to be dragging every pair and just analyzing, breaking your head, where's it gone, and it's going to save you a lot of time, and that way you can cherry pick the currency pairs that we're looking at. Anyhow, when you follow me on Instagram, send me a DM. I'll email you. Send me a DM with your email address. I will email you the file. It's a template, and it also is an indicator. Look at Let me grab a pen here. Once you download, you should know how to download the indicators. Once you download the indicator, beat the market maker dashboard, you're going to install that indicator just how you install every other indicator, going up to the file. Let me grab this. The indicator is going to go to file, open data folder. If you're brand new, open data folder. You're going to go to MQL4. You're going to go to indicators, and you're going to have it right there. You're going to install it, drop it in there, paste it, copy it, and paste it in there. Close that file out. Go back to indicators. Right click, refresh. Boom. I've already done all that. And then look what happens. Any pair you're looking at, you can drag that dashboard on there. Make sure that the comment tab that these two are allow DLL imports is checked off. Hit OK. The dashboard comes on. Also, under tools, make sure that you allow DLL imports. So, you go up there. Here it is. Tools, options, under expert advisors, make sure you allow DLL import. That's important for this to work. Also, make sure you install this on a brand new demo account. Use Oanda IG. I use Oanda, as you can see up there. Oanda demo is a completely different broker. I just use this for my dashboard. You're gonna have to use this on a brand new Meta MT4 because I'm using my Trader's Way MT4 and it did not work. It did not work. Let me show you the example. This is my Trader's Way demo. It does not work. So if you're stuck, if you download it on your current, if you're downloaded on your current broker and you see that it's just like this, all blank, it's not working properly. I'm still trying to figure that out. So what I did was open up a new demo account. All you need is a demo account. You don't have to open up no live account or anything like that. Oanda, or I use IG MetaTrader. They seem to work perfectly. I guess it's just a fresh. I'm just using that for the dashboard, right? So I go back to Oanda, and as you can see, there's my dashboard. I like to clean it up a little bit, and you see it's moving. If you see these numbers moving, the dashboard is working perfectly. Another thing about the dashboard, we're looking at Australian CAD. I click on Australian CAD. We're on the 1 hour there. It gives you the peak formation. It's green because it's going to the upside. Gives you the status of that ADR. It's gone about almost 1.5 ADR to the upside. In real time, it tells you exactly where it's at. And it gives you an average of the ADR pips, 57 pips to the upside. Okay? I'm not too concerned with RSI. Again, this is just for you to scan, have everything at your fingertips there. I am looking for these fresh peaks to trade away from that peak. So look what happens on the chart. It marks up the peak formation low. It also marks you the 3 times ADR where it should be going. Again, This is not, this is just to give you some type of guide and to see where you're at on the chart instead of you breaking your head trying to break down and calculate exactly where you're at on the cycle. Okay. This is my peak formation low. It's gone 1 times ADR to the upside. We have another 2 times ADR and 3 times ADR. Obviously, this next coming week, I'm looking for stop on low rise if I get my setup. Let them retest that peak. That's what I should be looking for. Anyhow, and you'll know that the dashboard is working once you start clicking on different pairs. I'm going to put on the line chart here to remove these candlesticks on the background. Where's my line chart up there? Just go there. That was just to remove them from there. Again, I'm just using this so I can make my directional bias of what's the best possible setups. If I go to the EuroCAD, let it refresh. There it is, EuroCAD. It tells me that it's on a downtrend. Peak formation high. Off the high has gone down 2 times ADR, and you can see it here. From this peak formation high is dropped down here. Look at pound yen. It's 5 peak formation low. So it's been going up in an uptrend at least for the last 5 days, right? So that's why it's telling you there. So it's getting near that 3 times, it's already near that 3 times ADR, and it's already, so sometime this week this pair should start at least giving some type of correction, right? Should start going to the downside. Maybe they retest that high. Maybe on Sunday, Monday, they go back, stop on high, they hold that high up there, and you might get a 1 times ADR correction. So again, the dashboard is there. It gives you all the peaks formation, how many days in that peak formation high or low, gives you the status, gives you the real times ADR, the ADR pips. Okay. In London, you're probably going to get the stop hunt. If they're working the stop hunt, high or low, it'll start to appear there. Again, that's the indicator. I'm going to show you the template. So you're going to get 2 files when you reach out to me. I've already downloaded the template. So obviously you're going to go the same thing. Let me clear this out. So you're going to go to, when I send you this, let me pick here. So when I send you the 2 files, it's going to be a template and the indicator. Open data folder. We're going to go to templates, and you'll see it there. You'll see it there. I was using it for a couple of challenges on FTMO. So you'll see it there. That's the way I labeled it. You install it, close that out, refresh the page. Now, this is the indicator dashboard. Now look what happens when I bring in my template. It minimized it a little bit, but look what it gave me. Since you trade the method, it also gave you the high, the low of the day, the daily high, daily low. Gives you the 3 times ADR. Look at the shadow boxes in the background. That way, your charts are not too cluttered. You can see the stop huns in the background right there. Asian session, stop on high, stop on low. Gives you the moving averages, ketchup, mustard, water. So that's all you really need, and it also gives you your TDI. So there's the RSI is telling you where it's at. And the same thing, it's working when these numbers are moving because the market is still open. When the market's closed, you're not going to get any of these movements until the market starts to open. Common sense. Anyhow, you can minimize it. You could bring it back. It refreshes, and there you go again. Again, these numbers, the RSI is moving. Why? Because the market's open. So again, you want to look for these setups, these high peak formation lows or highs, because the correction is imminent, is coming. Look at New Zealand USD, 5 peak formation is in red because it's been dropping. So if I click on New Zealand USD, zoom out a little bit. Okay, what has it been doing? It's been dropping. It's been dropping. It's been dropping. It's been dropping. We should get some type of correction. These are going to be highly selective on these with these trades. That way you're not guessing yourself. They're working that low. They're working that low. Look at down here. They're working that low. They're working that low. They're working that low. Won't break that low. Won't break that low. So Sunday coming into Monday, stop on low rise. If they give me that, you have your setup. Okay. Look at so it could go either way. Could it continue to drop? Yes, absolutely. The market could do whatever it wants. But now you at least have now you can just cherry pick what looks good. Obviously, if it goes into if it's at 2, it can go either way. Once it goes to like look at let's look at Frank Yen. Frank Yen is at 2 peak formation high. So it's been dropping for the last 2. It could go either way at this point. So I am just looking to cherry pick, but this dashboard should help you just have a clarity of what you're looking at. So again, this coming week, dollar yen looks good, dollar franc looks good, New Zealand USD, we expect some type of correction. So now just open up your charts, put those currency pairs on, and just sit back and wait. Wait for them to give you that stop hunt. Wait for them to give you that setup. Anyhow, again, recap. You're going to need to install this. If you install it on your regular broker MT4, this is for MT4. If you install it on your MT4 and it doesn't work and it's blank like I showed you, or like my TraderWay one, it's not going to work. Download a new demo with the Oanda or IG MetaTrader. Create just a regular demo account just so you can at least install this template or the indicator. And I like it because it gives you the 3 times ADR. It gives you the profits. It gives you the spread here, the next bar. So it gives you a little bit of indicators here, so you're not guessing, and you can just focus on taking clean setups. Again, new broker, new demo account. If it's not working properly on your regular one, follow me on Instagram. Send me a DM, and I would send me a DM with your email address. I will email you the files. This is the full version of this dashboard. Have a great weekend, you guys, and I'll continue to give you enough anything that I can do to help you guys out. I'll see you guys in the next video.